everyone, this is Julia Jones from PuroClean. PuroClean of Bradenton and PuroClean of Lakewood Ranch and Siesta Key. Today happens to be fun facts. So I often get asked, what is the most common source of water loss and water damage? And it is an interesting question for homeowners in terms of the variety that we get. Sometimes it's from dishwashers that have a leak. Sometimes it's the ice maker that creates a leak from the refrigerator. But one interesting one that we had was someone called us, and it turned out their guest had fallen asleep in the bathtub. Don't worry, the guest was fine, but they did kind of nod off a little bit, and the water kept flowing, and it took a little bit for that to be discovered. So that was one of the more interesting calls that we've had, and luckily no one was harmed. So anyway, we do wish that you don't have any water leaks, but if you do, please do think of PuroClean of Bradenton and PuroClean of Lakewood Ranch, and I assure you, you will be in good hands.